Watch me make a custom Barbie box for my Pearl doll. So I found this guy named Will Turner who makes custom horror movie dolls, and I just fell obsessed with this Pearl one. I did read his description, and he does mention that they do not come in custom packaging, which I understand because that's already a lot to make, just the doll itself. So I got to cracking to make my own, okay? We started putting the words, we started putting the box together, started cutting out all the fun shapes, and went on the laser. Then I started putting the letters all together because I really wanted to pop off of the box, so I'm doing like a little 3D effect. So she's all done, and we're just gonna put her on the front. And then I decided to spray paint them gold because she's a star, you know what I mean? So here's all the pieces now, and I had to tape them all together like that so they could hold. And then I started adding the little stars. There's one, there's two. Then I was like, let's get a little creative, okay? Like, let's put some fake blood splatter on this thing because Pearl be killing people. And this is the final product of the box. And then I added a small little detail, decided to put, I'm a star, please, I'm a star, on the actual box because, you know, she's a star. And this is the final product. And I think she's so cute. And it kind of just really adds to it as like a collector's item.